Hi, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make a bracelet using lava stones and beads made of pyrite, of yellow pyrite. These beads are in the shape of a skull, as you can see. I will use some black nylon cord, and the second piece of nylon cord will be used in order to make the sliding knot of the bracelet. As tools I will only need lighter, a pair of scissors, and also measuring tape in order to know how long the cord should be. So let's measure. So it is about 33 centimeters, that is about 13 inches. And for the sliding knot, it's about 14 centimeters, that is about 5.5 inches long. So the shorter piece of nylon cord will be used to create the sliding knot of my bracelet. And now we can begin creating this bracelet. I will take the nylon cord and I will make a knot at the end of my nylon cord. Like this. I will take the lighter and burn the end of the cord this way so that the knot does not open anymore. So the nylon will melt and the knot will stick and not open anymore. Now I will take my nylon cord and I will start putting the beads. I will begin with those small pyrite beads that will stay at the end here of my bracelet. And now I can start putting the lava stones on the cord. So as you can see, those lava stones are small, they are about 6 millimeters in diameter, that is about 1/4 of an inch. Like this, and now I will start putting the beads, the pyrite beads, I'll put another 3 lava stones. Then another pyrite bead. Like this. Now I have added all the lava stones. I will take the last bead, the pyrite bead, that I will put here at the end of my bracelet, and I will make another knot. Again, I will burn the end of my knot. I will find the middle of my bracelet and here and here I will make one knot so that the beads will no longer move on my nylon cord. So at this point here I will make the first knot. This way, and I will make another knot on this other cord as well. Like this. And as you can see, I have a knot here and a knot here, so that my beads no longer move, so they stay in place in the middle of my nylon cord. And now let's create the sliding knot. In order to create a sliding knot, I will superpose the two cords like this. Let's see from a closer distance. So here I will create the sliding knot. I will take the nylon cord that I created for the sliding knot and I will put it underneath those two cords like this. I will find the middle of my cord, of my nylon cord, like this. So I have found the middle of my nylon cord and I will make a knot. Like this. So I've created a simple knot here, and now let's start making the sliding knot. Like this. I will put this cord over the two cords like this. I will take the other cord from this side, put it over my first cord, and then take it underneath the two cords here, take it out this way here, and then I will take it out through this loop here, like this. And now I will tighten this knot, and I've created the first knot of my sliding knot, this way. So the first loop was created like this on this side here. Now I will create another loop, but on the opposite side here. So I take the cord, the nylon cord, and put it over my two cords of the bracelet. Then I take this yarn, this cord, I put it over the first cord here and under my two cords like this. And now I will take my cord and put it through this loop here, this way, and take it out through the loop and tighten this knot, this way. And I have created my second knot. Now we shall create knots by creating a loop on the left side, then on the right side, then again on the left side, and then on the right side, until there is no more cord here. So let's continue. So if the last time I created the loop on this side here, again I will create a loop on the opposite side, so here. And let's make the knot the same, using the same steps. I have created my third knot like this, and again another knot, and I will continue until there is no more thread left, no more yarn left. And now I have no more thread or no more cord on this side, and we shall close the sliding knot. So I will cut the ends of my sliding knot, and in order to prevent the sliding knot from opening and to prevent it from looking this way, which is not looking good, I will take the lighter and burn the ends of my sliding knot like this. You should be careful whenever it burns. The nylon will become very hot, so it's good not to touch it with your fingers. I prefer to touch it with the lighter. This way, as you can see, the nylon cord, the end of my nylon cord, is sticking to the sliding knot, and it will not open, and at the same time it's looking good like this. We see no thread here and here. So now we have finished the sliding knot. Let's see if it opens and closes. like this. So this is my sliding knot. And this is the finished bracelet. Let's see what the finished bracelet looks like when I put it on my wrist. So this is the bracelet on the wrist. This is the sliding knot. So as you can see, it's a very narrow bracelet because I used 6mm lava stones, so the small type of stones. So I hope you liked this video and thank you for watching.